and subsequently you perform wedding or you marry under the ordinance, the customary law or the customary marriage is no more in existence. You call it transformation. It's transformed into the civil or ordinance law. But when you come to court, you have the responsibility to prove that your marriage was contracted under the ordinance, and for which reason you are the sole or lawful wife. But when you come to court and you fail to prove that, then it means the customary law survives. And under customary law, a man can marry as many as he wants.
What do you make of the fact that the German
our client, of course, he has been devastated since the loss of a husband, having 2 underage, in fact 6 underage children to bring up alone. It's devastating, but it would have been much worse, distressful, if the court had ruled otherwise, that she cannot even be recognized as the surviving spouse. So on that score, she is delighted. But at all time, she has never, Odo Broni has never held the position that Mahama Akosua Serwaa was not that the Lumba's wife. She never held that position. That's why in court even he is saying that she is a surviving spouse, but not the only surviving spouse. So she's not against Mahama Akosua Serwaa also being recognized as a surviving spouse of that Lumba.
Okay, so your name and your... In case somebody also come up claiming that she's also a wife, bringing evidence just as your client did.
Yeah, this is why we are saying that under customary law, once you can prove, mind you, marriage under customary law principally is between the 2 families. So if you can bring, but there's a legal position, while if you want the court to help you, the law is you must not sleep on your rights. As soon as you hear that a case is being conducted and the outcome of the case will affect you, you must immediately come to court. Yes. But if you wait and the court, now the court is closed, you come to raise, you have a lot of impediments.
So this issue of bigamy doesn't come in, right?
Bigamy come in, not in this case. Bigamy does not come in this case, not at all.
And then of course, court.
As you know, and then the last day, and then the day for judgment. And hereby I said, court in Chile and court Akasa. As much as we disagree, that is the judgment of the court. And he will advise our clients accordingly.
But it's also part of reliefs and now person our clients and it
wasn't before the court. Okay. And it wasn't before the court. But court now knows some directions. But essentially what she said is na Akosua Serwaa abroach awa de no no nyintum and o ka certificate no asema anti that is the decision of the court. The rest is up to the family to decide on the way to go until they will be asked for the effort you make, especially my wife Akosua Serwaa. She has supported me and we have come this far. Mijirisa judge ne start here ready. The judge will counsel no kura de ba akope. No kura na bedi hin nti ejidise no kura bedi hin. Na mi shiramu.
Okay, that's what
if you had the opportunity to sit in court, you come to the absolute conclusion that this judgment is fair. It recognizes both women as wives of Daddy Lumba, and it affords both women the opportunity to be present at the funeral and perform the necessary kuna. So it's a peaceful situation as far as we are concerned. We couldn't have wished for a better outcome. What has come out is very fair to all both parties, and it's our prayer that at least all the parties, including Akosua Serwaa and Madam Prizm, will accept this and give Daddy Lumba, the legend, the peaceful burial that he deserves. What is important is that why do we want to continue to hold on to grudge when both parties have been afforded the chance at peace? It's not saying one woman is superior to the other. What the judgment is saying is that both women are recognized as wives. What the family wants has been reaffirmed by the court, and it is something that must be respected. It's a chance at peace, and whoever loves peace, whoever loves Daddy Lumba, whoever loves his music, whoever loves the fact that this man is a legend and deserves a peaceful after-death event, should accept this judgment.
We haven't heard that. We are speaking from Ebusapeni's voice. He said 13th December, so until he communicates any other information, it is still 13th December.
So now your client is happy with the decision?
All clients must be happy. Like I said earlier, it is a win-win situation for both women.